In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 facts and 3 solutions about porn-induced erectile dysfunction. Let's start with definition first. PIED is an abbreviation for porn-induced erectile dysfunction. It is men's inability to obtain or maintain a full erection during sexual intercourse. This condition is usually caused by excessive porn consumption and isn't necessarily physical. And here are 3 facts about porn-induced erectile dysfunction. Fact number 1, the buffet factor. If you have this issue, it could be because of how pornography affects sexual appetite. Pornography is like a buffet. You pay once and eat everything, but how much can you really eat? Too much porn can overstimulate your brain, making it hard to arouse with a real-life partner. Fact number 2, the conditioning factor. Porn uses fantasy and scripted scenes that don't happen in real life, well, in most cases. And so when sexual fantasies aren't translated into reality, the male organ fails. Fact number 3, the age factor. With the rise of porn, 17 and 18-year-old guys are suffering from erectile dysfunction. So don't rely on being young because erectile dysfunction is just around the corner if you're on porn. Alright then, how can we turn things around? Solution number 1, quit porn. Our brain is capable of rewiring itself and returning to its natural state. Even if the process is somewhat time-consuming, it is worthwhile to attempt. After a while, your brain will adapt the new lifestyle and you'll be able to restore your sexual abilities. Solution number 2, consult an expert. It is always wise to consult with a doctor or other medical professional who can provide you with any necessary medical advice. Erectile dysfunction is often a mental blockage that requires particular treatments to overcome, so you may also consider seeing a therapist. And please remember, do not take any medications by yourself. I repeat, do not take any medications by yourself. Solution number 3, connections. Frequently, suffering from isolation is the leading cause of mental illness. So communicate with your loved ones and prioritize emotional connection over sexual lust. If you're married, your wife should be the closest to you. And if you're single, connect with your parents, siblings, or best friends. Above all, escape this maze quickly before it consumes your life.